Hello everyone, welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I will share with you one of the most famous French dessert, a snow-baked summer dessert called Charlotte. This cake is made of lady fingers, soaked with strawberry syrup and filled with mascarpone cream cheese cream. Let's get started with this easy summer recipe. Before using your mixer, you have to put your whisker and your bowl in the fridge for about half hour. In a mixer fitted with a whisker, beat your 250 grams of heavy whipping cream until it becomes thick. Then transfer it in a cold bowl and put it in the fridge until we need it. For mascarpone cream, you will need 5 egg yolks, 250 grams of mascarpone, 100 grams of sugar melted in 50 centiliters of water to make syrup, 6 grams of gelatin. I will cook my syrup until my syrup reach 150 Celsius. Meanwhile, I will beat my eggs until they become white. I will pour my syrup on the top of my egg yolks. Then I will add my mascarpone and my gelatin. Beat your egg yolks in a medium speed. Meanwhile, cook your syrup until your syrup reach 150 Celsius. Lower your mixer speed and start to pour your syrup little by little on the top of your egg yolks. Whenever you finish pouring your syrup on the top of your egg yolks, add your gelatin, then higher your mixer speed and beat your eggs until they become white and fluffy. Whenever your egg yolks becomes white, fluffy, and double their volume, now it's time to add your 250 grams of mascarpone. Beat your egg yolks with your mascarpone until you get very light and fluffy cream. Now I will add my heavy whipping cream to my mascarpone cream little by little, and I will mix it very gently to get nice and beautiful and fluffy cream to fill our Charlotte. Whenever you finish and incorporate your heavy whipping cream, put your cream in your fridge until you need it. Cut out the edges of lady fingers evenly to make them stand for a long time so they don't fall. Line up your lady fingers on the bottom and the edges of your mold, like I'm doing so. I soaked my lady fingers with the syrup that I have prepared one day before. 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of water, and I boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I boiled my syrup with 2 pieces of strawberries to give my syrup a natural flavor and taste. Soak your lady fingers lightly. Don't over soak them, because lady fingers is a biscuit that is very soft and delicate. Put half of your cream in this layer and dice some strawberries and spread it inside this cream. Put the second layer of lady fingers. Soak it with your syrup. Spread the second layer of your cream evenly. Then dice some strawberries and spread it on the top of this cream. Cover those strawberries with the last layer of cream and put your charlotte in the fridge minimum 6 hours before serving it. After your charlotte is passing 6 hours in your fridge, now it's time to decorate it. Spread some strawberry glaze on the top and put some strawberries on the top to make a beautiful decoration. Now it's time to serve our charlotte. Put your charlotte in nice and beautiful plate. Take out the mold edges. Tie your charlotte with a beautiful red ribbon. Now it's time to serve our charlotte. Serve your charlotte cake with a nice cup of coffee. Enjoy it with your family and your friends. My charlotte cake has beautiful layers. My cream was very light and strawberry taste give this cake a fabulous taste. This cake is very suitable cake for summer. Very easy. You don't have to bake anything. Just you have to prepare your cream and assemble your cake. I hope my video for today was helpful and you will try it soon. If you try it, tell me in the comment below. I hope my video for today was helpful and you have learned something new with me. Please like, share and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye!